Everyone thinks the best-selling cream makeup palettes are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Laura Geller Baked Palette. The Laura Geller New York Best of the Best Baked Palette. Priced at $52.50, what caught my attention here is that it's designed specifically for older skin. If you want an all-in-one solution that won't settle into fine lines, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The palette includes bronzer, blush, 2 highlighters, and 3 eyeshadows, all made to work harmoniously together. The baked formula means it won't fade or settle throughout the day, leaving you with a polished look without the need for constant touch-ups. With over 8,000 sold last month, it's clear that many find it effective. Now, some people complained about the price point. Here's the thing though, while it's not cheap, the quality and longevity are solid for the price. If you're looking for something that actually works for mature skin, it's worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you want a complete face palette that's easy to use. Skip this one if you prefer a more youthful, trendy look. Considering the quality, it's a good value. Now, if the price of the Laura Geller palette bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a budget-friendly option that still delivers on quality. Product number 2. King Mass Foundation Brush. The King Mass Foundation Makeup Brush, priced at just $5.99. What caught my attention is its double-ended design, which is super handy for blending and applying creams. If you want a brush that does it all without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This brush is designed for everything from foundation to contouring, which means you can create a flawless look without needing multiple tools. Its synthetic bristles are soft and durable, ensuring that it grips product well without shedding. Given that over 4,000 people bought it last month, it's clearly popular. Now, some users mention that it can feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, while it might not be the sturdiest brush out there, it gets the job done effectively for the price. If you just need something for everyday use, it's actually a great deal. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable brush that can do multiple tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for a professional grade tool. At this price, it's hard to beat the value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want extensive color options. Product number 3. You Can Be Athena Palette. The You Can Be Athena Face Body Paint Oil Palette is truly a colorful artist's dream. With 20 vibrant colors, it caught my eye for its versatility. If you want a palette that lets you express creativity in your makeup, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each color is highly pigmented and designed for easy blending. This means you can create anything from subtle looks to dramatic effects without worrying about cracking or smudging. Plus, it's non-toxic, making it safe for both adults and teens. With 3,000 units sold last month, it's evident that many are enjoying its versatility. Now, some have pointed out that it can be difficult to remove. Here's the thing though, the durability is actually a benefit during wear, especially for events like festivals or parties. Just be sure to have a good makeup remover handy. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with bold colors and effects. Skip this one if you prefer more natural looks. Considering the number of colors, it's a solid investment for creative makeup artists. Next up, let's look at something a bit more streamlined for everyday use. Product number 4, ELF Contour Palette. The ELF Contour Palette is a steal. I was drawn to its customizable shades, perfect for sculpting and highlighting. If you're looking for an affordable way to define your features, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This palette includes 4 shades that can be mixed and matched to suit your skin tone. Infused with vitamin E, it not only helps with application, but also nourishes your skin. Its compact design makes it easy to take on the go, which is great if you're busy. With over 3,000 sold last month, it's clearly a fan favorite. Now, some users said the pigmentation isn't as strong as they hoped. Here's the thing though, while it might not be ultra pigmented, this can actually be a plus for beginners who want to build color gradually. It allows for a more natural, blended look. This is perfect for you if you're new to contouring or want something easy to use. Skip this one if you need high impact color immediately. For the price, it's an excellent value. Finally, if you're ready for something a bit more luxurious, the last product on my list is a fantastic choice. Product number 5, Laura Geller Cream Full Face Palette.
Last but not least is the Laura Geller The Best of the Best Cream Full Face Palette, priced at $50.99. I was intrigued by its all-in-one approach, especially designed for mature skin. If you want a hydrating, blendable makeup option, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This palette features cream formulas that melt into your skin, providing a natural finish without emphasizing dryness or fine lines. This is a huge deal if you're looking for something that feels comfortable and looks radiant. With over 1,000 sold last month, it's clearly making waves in the beauty community. Now, some reviewers have mentioned that the shades can look too sheer. Here's the thing though, the goal of this palette is to provide a subtle, everyday look. If you want more intensity, you can always layer it for more impact. This is perfect for you if you have mature skin and want something hydrating and easy to use. Skip this one if you prefer bold makeup looks. Given its quality, it's definitely worth the investment.
So, to recap, we started with the Laura Geller Baked Palette for a complete look designed for mature skin. Then we moved on to the budget-friendly King Mass Brush for versatile application. Next, the You Can Be Athena palette wowed us with its vibrant color options for creative looks. The e.l.f. Contour palette gave us affordability without sacrificing usability. And finally, the Laura Geller Cream palette wrapped it all up with a luxurious touch for mature skin. Each of these options brings something unique to the table, so choose the one that speaks to your makeup needs.